In today's video, we're going to discuss my review on Motiv8 Burn, and I'm going to bring you along with me as I learn and do my first multi-color vinyl shirt on my Cricut.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey guys, I'm Brandy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. All the information I discuss in this video and links I will have in the description box below. Let's jump right into it. So last week I shared with you guys that I was going to add Motiv8 Burn as my pre-workout drink to add before my workouts. So I pretty much did a tester. I did a half a scoop before each workout, and I added, I want to say 10 ounces of water to the scoop, and I took it about 30 minutes before I worked out. I absolutely love it. I felt energized. I felt good. I felt energized throughout my whole workouts. I probably was being a little bit extra, but I also monitored my heart rate before, while I was waiting to work out and getting ready, before, during my workout, and then I monitored my heart rate after my workout. So I know I was being a little bit extra, but when I try like energized supplements like that, I like to make sure my heart rate is not going up and down. So I have a Fitbit, and a Fitbit, I think it's a Fitbit Versa 2, I believe. So it gives me my heart rate reading, and that is how I monitored my heart rate. So next week I will be doing a full scoop, since I feel comfortable enough to do so. I will be doing a full scoop, and I will be doing 12 to 16 ounces of water, because I believe that's the instructions that you're supposed to do. So all next week in my workouts, I am super excited. I really liked it. I didn't feel jittery or crashing afterwards or tired. I really felt good. So I recommend Motiv8 Burn. It's a thumbs up for me. Try it. Okay, so those of you that have been following me for the last few weeks, I bought a Cricut Explorer Air 2. So I'm in the process of learning and watching a ton of videos on YouTube. I have family and some friends that have it that I'm asking help, here and there. But so far, I love it. I have been practicing on old t-shirts. I've been practicing in design space, so I'm so excited that there are so many things that you can make with a Cricut. It's crazy. I just saw earlier this week on Facebook that you can make earrings with a Cricut. So I am very excited to learn all these new things. So I decided to take you guys along with me as I'm trying to do a couple Mother's Day gifts. I made shirts earlier this week for my daughter and I. I made a little baby bear shirt. Super excited about that. And of course, I have the mama bear shirt. So those came out really good. I'm using the Gildan shirt material, if I pronounced that correctly. My cousin had told me to get it from Michael's. So those are the shirts that I'm using, and those are the shirts that I'm going to use on my 2 Mother's Day gifts for today. So I'm glad that you guys get to come along with me as I do my newfound hobby that I absolutely love. So there are a few projects that I have been working on in design space already, and bear with me with my camera because I ordered a new phone holder so it holds over so you can be able to see my laptop, but it doesn't come in the mail until tomorrow. So I actually have it on my tripod. So bear with me on the angles. I will try to get the best angles so you guys can see. So I'm gonna lean it forward. So right here, I have been working on a few projects that I wanted to do for Mother's Day and just playing around in it. So right now, I have everything up here. I'm going to click on the Mother's Day logo that I want to add to my 2 shirts today that I'll be doing. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Customize right here. So I may be doing some parts wrong and I may do them right, but I have been watching videos, like I told you previously. I've been watching videos on how to do this. So let's pray, fingers crossed, that it comes out right on the first time around. So this is the logo I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing it in 3 colors. So for one shirt, I'm going to do red, black, and white, and then another shirt, and that's going to be on a black shirt, and then another shirt I'm going to do a black, dark purple, and a kind of lightish pink purple. So I have everything lined up already how I want it, I believe. I have it spaced over enough from the edges, and I believe from the top, let me just move it just a little bit, and I think I have everything correct. So I'm going to go ahead over here and click make it so I can see how it works out, how it looks. So from my understanding, from watching videos, each one is going to print on a different color sheet, and it will let me know when it's time to change the HTV, the heat transfer vinyl sheet. So I'm going to make sure I hit mirror so it irons on correctly on each one. Make sure I hit mirror and then hit mirror. And I'm praying that I place it correctly on the t-shirt. This is my first time doing this, so you guys are coming along for the ride. So just to make sure again that says mirror, mirror, and this says mirror. So I'm gonna go ahead and load my my Explorer, which is, so I have my sheet, and I'm using the light grip sheet. I have my heat transfer vinyl face down. The shiny side is always down. So I'm going to go ahead and load my Cricut. Go ahead and line it up. Then I'm going to come over here to my laptop. I'm going to hit continue. So the light is blinking, so I'll go ahead and feed that in. And now it's telling me that my Cricut is ready. The light is blinking. I'm going to press the button. So it's done cutting now, and I already see where my error is. When I put it in, I didn't, trying to hold the camera and trying to get it loaded, I didn't push it all the way into the top. So just a tad bit of the letters are cut off at the top. If you guys can see that, you guys can't see it, maybe a little bit in the lighting, but hey, that is me learning, and it is definitely okay. So I know next time to do one thing at a time. So I'm going to peel this off, coming from this way, rolling the mat back. I'm going to peel it down this way. Just take my time. I'm actually going to see if I have another black sheet. I think this was my last one. But we'll see, because this is a tester. And I'm going to go ahead and load my other sheet on here for my next section of colors on my design. learning the Cricut is like basically trial and error. So I pretty much saw what I did wrong as my Cricut was cutting my last sheet. I didn't have the sheet lined up correctly. So I have a cutter, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the top part and recenter it properly, and make sure my make sure I have the amount that I should have for this last sheet, and recut it. I changed 2 of the colors because I didn't like how 2 of them came out, as obviously I said in my last little section that I didn't place the heat transfer vinyl sheet properly on the mat. So I just had to switch out 2. One of them came out good, so right now I'm cutting that, and then once that's done, I'm gonna weed it out and then hopefully get it layered right on my t-shirt. So I am still weeding out the letters, and I reprinted another sheet again because I made another mistake, which is okay, right? Because it's the beginning and I'm learning and all that kind of stuff. So as I am weeding out my letters, when I do my shirt, what I'm going to do is I'm going to warm my shirt up for 15 seconds, and I'm going to crease it. Let me just show you. This is the shirt that I'm going to do. So I'm going to line it up on the edges right here and make sure the armpits levels, and then the bottom, and I'm going to press it to warm up my shirt for like 15 seconds, and then I'm going to layer each one on there. So I am going to videotape that part, and then watching a few other videos, when you layer a shirt like that, it says to press it for 15 seconds, add the next layer, press it for another 15 seconds, and then once you add all the layers, then press it all together for 30 seconds. So that's what I'm gonna do with this shirt. So I'm gonna record myself. Once I get ready to press it, I'm gonna warm up my heat press too, and then I'll have a picture for you also at the end of the video for this shirt. Because it's taking a long process, I'm not going to be able to do both shirts because this video will be long. So I cannot wait to see how it comes out. Fingers crossed. I hope everything goes good with my first Mother's Day project. For all of my Cricut lovers out there, I would love to hear from you below in the comments. Please share any tips or tricks, how you are loving your Cricut, what projects you're working on. Share with me. Write a comment below. Let me know how it's going. Let me know if you see anything I'm doing differently or wrong or could improve on. Hey, I'll take that too, because I'm trying to, you know, get in a place where I don't have to keep making mistakes. But we all know that takes a process and it takes a while. So once again, YouTube, I appreciate you guys for rocking with me today, and until next time.